at Best from Best Services Unlimited, and today we're going to be talking about October 15th. Um, I am your small business tax accountant, and I take great pleasure in keeping small business owners IRS and state compliant while increasing their cash flow and maximizing their tax refund. And I even wrote a book about it. So, with that being said, let's talk about October 15th. It is right around the corner. And this is not for the people who are on extension. If you're on extension, you are fine to file your taxes. If you do not have an extension, this message is for you. I want you to file your taxes as soon as you can. Most people did not know that the IRS has increased their penalties for not filing on time and failure to file. So everyone knows that tax day was extended to July 15th, but as of September 14th, if your return was not filed and you did not have an extension, it is now considered 60 days late. And the failure to file penalty for that is $435. That's just the penalty for failure to file. Now you're looking at the percentage that they're going to charge per the taxes that you owe for filing the tax return late, and you have to pay tax. Now, people who have their returns on extension, that is just an extension to file. It is not an extension to pay. So you want to get the money to the IRS as soon as possible, because going into next tax season, what is going to happen is the IRS is going to be trying their best to levy all types of penalties against taxpayers for filing late, not filing the way they're supposed to. And as you know, interest with the IRS is accrued daily. So the main thing you want to do is, if you are not on extension, you want to get your tax return in ASAP. If you are on extension and you have a payment that is due, you want to, I would just tell you, file your taxes now and get on a payment arrangement. You do not want to be owing the IRS any tax money right about now, because their enforcement is going to be greater than all the returns that they held this year when they used the new logarithm to catch supposedly fraudulent returns. Enforcement is going to be huge, and I'm not sure if, I'm not even going to say that it has anything to do with the COVID-19 situation. It's just that they are able and have more things in place, and they have hired more enforcement officers to enforce penalties and interest on taxpayers who have not filed their returns, and they know who you are. And those who have multiple years of returns that have not been filed, they're going to make sure that they take their time and energy to get letters to you to force you to file those returns and give them their money. So, this message is for the people who have not filed their return and are not on extension. Please get your return in right away, because that failure to file penalty as of September 14th is $435 just for failure to file the return on time. And if you need any help getting yourself on track, so people may have multiple years that's not done, know that they owe the IRS and want to get out of debt and get on the right side of the IRS, I can help you. So we're here, and we do offer tax debt resolution. It's huge now because you have Optima Tax Relief and all these other agencies that helping, but I do know that there's a lot of times that the cost is so prohibitive for you to get into getting right with the IRS, because sometimes just the cost to get the stuff together is a lot. So reach out to us. The phone number is 770-461-4829. You'll be able to get on my calendar, and we can talk about this tax situation, because enforcement going into year 2021 is going to be number one for the IRS, next to making sure that they don't get people with fraudulent returns. But next is going to be enforcement. And the main thing they can enforce you with is taxing on penalties, interest, and you might even get on a payment plan, but you won't never get underneath it, because they're going to be accruing interest daily as you're still trying to pay. So again, this is Yvette Best, your small business tax accountant, and please get on the right side of the IRS, because those penalties and interest, you just don't want to be bothered with them. So I will talk to you later, and have a great day.